He's already started tuning it a bit. Yep. Say hi.
Hey, how you doing, guys?
What's up? So, it runs great. Yeah, it fires up and idles. Yeah. I threw a little bit more fuel on it at idle. It's bouncing a little, but you can't. I don't know if you can see that on camera because it's all like flashy, but okay. We'll get it a little closer. It's about 15.1, shooting for like 14.7-ish. So sprinkle a little more at it. We're just getting everything set up with HP tuners, and then we'll be off to tuning land. Trying to do some skids. Running though, running really nice. Definitely running nice. Oh yeah. Doesn't seem to care much, it just likes itself. So right now he's just kind of playing around with just the idle and getting to not surge and act all funny and silly and making sure it's not leaning out. But yeah, check it out, sounds good. Okay, we're on. Yep. A little bangly thing. So yeah, we're tuning her now. It's running and driving and moving under its own power for the first time in a month. Yeah. Doesn't seem like a month though, honestly. It's been about a month. Yeah, not a month of working on it because we went on vacation and well, thrashed on a boat a bunch. Yeah. You know, did things, stuff, total things and stuff. We're not going to go too crazy until obviously a little later at night, because don't want to get any, you know, unwelcome guests, and like last time with the unwelcome guests. That and this thing needs a metric fuck ton more fuel, so we're going to continue tuning and we'll get back to you. Yep. Neat. Well, everything's going awesome. Actually awesome, not just like sarcastically awesome. Yeah, no, it's mint, like super mint. 6 liters with a blower? Who knew? I mean, everybody knew, but who knew? Works awesome. You can just tickling this up loose. Still needs a little bit of fuel, but it's like that's like 1 pound of boost. Yeah. Here. So if anybody's wondering kind of sort of what we're doing, looking at a comparison of what the wideband is in comparison to what the actual commanded air fuel is. So like, for example, yeah, commanded air fuel is 14.6 right now, and then we're looking at a correction table of, or a correction number of like 2.8. So that's good. Like, it's tuning really well. Really nice. That was a little late, but yeah. So we're just tickling in the boost right now, because we kind of have to start getting a baseline for at like 1 or 2 psi, so we have an even number across, like an even graph across. So if you only pop in one parameter, it'll throw it off what it corrects to, and it just makes it tuning way harder. So you just gotta let it tickle, lean, and just ease into it, pull out, be gentle with it. Yeah, and just try and hit as many parameters as you can. So essentially, we're just driving around aimlessly, figuring it out, and so far it's liking us. And well, the green truck, she done good. Yeah, no. Burnout soon. Yeah, definitely soon. Okay, well, back to the party. Yeah, we just did a little pull there. It's rowdy. It's also very rich yet. Yeah, and it's straight rowdy. Yeah, like whew. Yep. Straight rowdy. Faster than the 4.8. Oh yeah. But if it wasn't, I'd be more concerned. Yeah. Well, oil pressure's good. That's always a not even handy dandy thing. And we got fuel. We got like over fuel on the top end. So whatever. Yeah. I wonder what the duty cycle is like. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure it wasn't the FKN. Yeah. I thought I glanced at it and I thought I saw like 60. Anything higher than like 49 is the highest I could ever get the 4.8. So duty cycle? Yeah. what you call a rolling burnout there. Holy fuck. I wasn't ready for him to do that, but end of the night, it's running good, as you just seen behind me. He's just gonna do a little pull, and we'll call it quits on that, because this has been like the easiest tune I've ever done, and I mean, it shows because we do LS's. So let's check it out. Oh boy. You're gonna really hear those dumps open. Damn. Holy shit. It's definitely making a lot more torque, I'll tell you what. Man, this motor runs good. I'm so happy for him, because like 4.8 life was a little rough, so I'm hoping we get this this 12 out of it. But this motor runs awesome.
Only one wheeled on me.
Yeah, I know, it totally did. Sounded fucking amazing though. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Like absolutely.
If I'd started up with the line lock on, it would two-wheel again. But
yeah. Oh well. Anyways, that's the video.
yep, she'll do distance.
Oh yeah. And let's put it this way. This has been the easiest tune we've ever. Okay, well, you know, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. See ya.